morning. Wanted to go over briefly just the modifications I've done to the Pando. There'll be an extended video on each of the systems later on, but wanted to, some of you are probably wondering, wow, what's going on with the solar and other things that I've done to it, but not too many modifications. The main thing I wanted to do, of course, as you know, is to be able to boondock out in nature as long as I see fit to get the right footage, and sometimes it takes 15 days to do it. So what I've done is I've installed 600 watts of solar, 3 200-watt panels up here. And I went with the 24-volt panels. They're just better in lower lighting conditions than the 12. A little bit more expensive, but that's fine. The other thing that I've done in here, this was major modifications. This is the Xantrex 2000 watt inverter. And it used to be on the side. Solar controller, installed that. It's a by Victron, of course, Battleborn batteries. This is the 270 amp hour 12 volt 8D battery. It'll keep me going. With the inverter, I just needed something bigger than what the trailer came with. Anyway, like I said, not too specific, but what I've got going on, like I said, is 600 watts of solar panels charging a 270 amp hour battery, lithium battery. So that is the in a nutshell, kind of what I've done in preparation for our next trip. I did want to remind you that the next time next week's video will be from Portugal. Like I said, I've decided to take the camera gear with me and film while I'm there. It was a tremendous hassle to be able to fly the drone in Portugal. We'll get into that later on. So this is the hot water heater, on demand, propane here. It's going to be nice not to shower using the older method. And that's it. This is a Propex heater. Anyway, don't want to get too much into that. Our first destination is going to be Lake Havasu, Arizona. Lake Havasu City, or Havasu City. We're going to cross the nation and stay there for a couple of days, just to make sure that all the systems are good to go before we head into Mexico. We're going to explore the Baja Peninsula from one end to the other, and I'm very excited about that. So we'll leave around mid-January and spend about maybe about 6-7 days in Lake Havasu, making sure that everything is good to go on the Pando. I just don't want any issues while I'm in Mexico. But still testing it out, making sure that everything is good to go. Do a couple trial runs locally, as well as spend the night right here in my driveway. So Let me show you the map on what our route's going to be and exactly where we're going. Our adventure takes us through Knoxville, Tennessee, Little Rock, Arkansas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Albuquerque, New Mexico, and right on into Lake Havasu, Arizona, where we'll spend a few days making sure the Pando systems are good to go before we enter Mexico through Mexicali, and we'll hug the eastern side of the Baja Peninsula along the Sea of Cortez. It'll take us through La Paz, and we'll finish in Cabo San Lucas.